Hello, what's up guys? Welcome to the new video. In this video we will learn about the composition of the functions. So let's suppose here we have the two functions f of x equal to 2 of x and g of x equal to x plus 4. So we have to find f composite of g of x. We can read it as f composite of g of x. Whatever the g of x is, we have to simply put that instead of x in the f of x function. So f composite of g of x equal to f, and place g of x over here, and in the next step place x plus 4 over here. So that will be f composite of g of x equal to f x plus 4, and simplifying it, so that will be 2 into x plus 4. So the final answer will be 2x plus 8. So if we were finding g composite of f of x, what we would have done, that we would have simply put the values of f of x instead of g of x, and rest of the process and everything would have been same. I hope you understand. Thank you for watching this video.